Man, be careful of them foreign woman here because them not easy. Yeah, they will come to Jamaica. They go to the third world country them, find good people, good boy pitney, take them come a foreign and treat them like a shit. You can't go talk too hard in your own in the house. Because for them house. You understand? Them control everything what you do. The paycheck have to go in for them account. Because the account where they go have a go joint account because you're married to her. You understand what I say? Be careful of them. You understand? There is some wicked people. Me not tell a lie. Some foreign woman them wicked, them wicked, them wicked, them wicked. You understand? That same woman that you first meet, she's gonna change. She's gonna change on you. You're not gonna have no friend. Probably the only friend you're gonna have a fair friend them. You understand? If you talk too hard, she gonna throw you out. You understand? She throw you out or she body up. Because remember them women that strap, especially in America, they treat you like shit. You understand what I say? So before you think about you have friend woman, always think, yeah, do you really want to marry this woman to go to America? You understand? Because 90% of them foreigner no mean no good. And always think, why would they want to come to Jamaica to find a husband to marry? Man that they are foreign big enough. Foreign have enough man and woman over here. You understand? Sometimes you can travel and find love, You can't really fall in love, But it's very rare. You understand? It's very rare. You understand? Trust me, some woman them can't find no man a foreign. No man no want them because remember them born a foreign, go school and everything, So how come them can't find no man a foreign for married? You understand? They come and them trick you. When they go a find they realize everything with them attack, nothing go so they no way. Them not really live no way. Them also not really all that. Do you understand what I say? You have to think. And everything this not goal either. There are some bag of lie. I've known friends. Yeah, I've known friends who them pack up them things in a black bag and fling them out in a coal. You understand what I say? Them take with them passport. You understand? Them threaten them, so them go revoke everything where them put up in a home office. We sort them out, then go revoke it. And said marriage broken down and all them something there. Some people boy pitting go through and a woman alone go through it in a foreign. Me have some friends sometimes, it's sorry for them. You understand? So no feel no way on the bridge in their foreign and him can't send no money and them something there. Them can't even send money go to Jamaica without saying it to them blood cleat wife. You understand? Them no control them paycheck or nothing. Them can't send money to them mother and them pitney without saying it to her. A matter of fact, him have to tell her if he send money, go give mommy because him that will have access to your account. Do you understand? So be careful, okay? Be careful.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are
What going again, unstoppable family? So even though I understand everything what the big woman are saying in that clip, they make me explain this to you in another way. Me always say, when you left from Jamaica and go foreign, nothing no stay the same for too long. I could have even your family member you go to after 2 to 3 weeks, a month the most. Then them are going to expect you to start contribute to the bills. If you not contribute to the bills, then you have to go. Face are going to start change. Attitude are going to switch up. Be things are going to start go on. I just saw it go. You see? So me understand totally where big woman are. So because you have some big woman where they are foreign, go Jamaica go look young boy, bring them overseas and everything change. Me understand totally. You see? But it goes both ways. Because you have some man where just sit down, look on the next victim and say, alright, me see me can tear off one couple grand US off her Eddie man. Cause a young boy she want, so me I got to tear off some money off her. And Triple X explains this perfectly in another clip here. Family, check out this. Where Triple X, I will a reason pan.
Wanna make them thing I look like, say? A man alone a junker. Cause I mean I got a little man a junker. Man wicked. Jamaican man, we're not all of it, because you have good man out here to see him here. But Jamaican man, we have a reputation of being very, very promiscuous. And we have a reputation of being very, very craven. And we have a reputation of being very, very lie. That does come. Once you hear Jamaican man, this is another joke thing, but let's be serious right now. Once them here said Jamaican man, them tell lie, full of girl, and then licky. Jamaican man, licky. May I tell you the truth? Me a man, may I tell you? The man in Jamaica, them love likes. love likes. Nothing to them like a foreign girl. And the girl them know. Nothing to them like a foreign girl. One Air Force, two jeans, and 5 shirt. And you take with any girl man in Jamaica. Not any girl man, enough girl man. One Air Force, 2 jeans pants, and 5 t-shirt. And you take with a girl man in Jamaica. I tell you, them man out there. Some of them boy, them not used to nothing. Them licky bad. Licky bad. Sometimes not even that. One rental car. One rental for 3 days. Just rent one car for drive for 3 days. One ask you. 6 grand a day. That's 100 US. Just rent one car for drive for 3 days. Remember me tell you. Anything him find for tell him woman, he might tell her. Anything. Him find some reason. He might plan up some excuse for Mr. Franny woman for 3 days. Because he want the car for palaver and drive. No matter how the girl will come from foreign shape bad. Sometimes it's something, no, I'm not going to tell you. Sometimes I see some man I road with some girl. I not disrespect no girl. Nah, nothing. I not disrespect no woman. I'm not bash no woman, but I'm going to be honest. And I'm going to be real. Uno woman will live a foreign. Uno woman will live a foreign. Answer me this. Uno shape like the one them shape like in time. You know in time you take up. You make fritters. I use a big spoon in the kitchen and you take up your fritters and throw it flour in a gravy, in a oil and it fry. And you when you take out the fritters when they don't fry and they don't really have no straight edge, no curve, no it just rolly and I saw some of them girls will come from foreign shape like the fritters them we don't fry. Some of the girls shape like fritters. You don't really feel like say them bleach out face boy or bleach out body boy. Then slim, bleach out, bow-legged boy, hot boy where they are party every night. You don't really feel like the man them want to know? Answer me that question there. Like, what part in your mind? What part in your mind? You come to grips for feel like say that man there want you. Answer me this now, man. Why you feel the man want you? Somebody say is bleach out a compliment? No, it's not a compliment. I'm just saying. I'm just describing the type of man that them woman go for. You really feel like the man want you? Like God know. Like look for me. I'm a tough fact, don't look for me. Get up. If you watch this now, get up and go in your bedside table and take out the Bible. You see Bible, the same Bible your granny gave when you go to foreign and set some provide and typically consecrated olive oil in Psalms 37 and give Bible and say travel good and travel safe and go foreign. Go for the Bible there and rest your hand on the Bible and say the boy when me come to Jamaica to want me. Just say it and see if the Bible no pinch you. See if the Bible no catch a fire. And if your granny in her grave lie down so, your granny go to turn over so. And turn over in her grave. Because no wicked and lie. Uno tell a lie so much. Uno tell a lie so much. So uno start believing. Come here tell you it's wicked. Uno is wicked. Uno is wicked to yourself and uno not a friend. So uno friend them a foreign, uno par with, them is wicked. Them is wicked too. Because you they are foreign, they are work every day. Every day they are work. No for una CNA, or na LPN, or na RN, or na hairdresser. That are the #1 profession them, you know, we come to Jamaica contact man. You they are work every day, broke your back. A clean shit. I wipe old people body, I feed old people body, I take care of people, bad breed, blow up, pitney. I take disrespect from different white people from hard start. For work your little $20 an hour or your $15 or your $17 an hour. Work your money hard. Stress out feet to the overnight shift them. I do the double shift them and the triple shift them. Someone go work and left from work, go one next work. Do one double panda work, yeah, and go one next double pan one next work. And just go from work to work to work to work like pinball. Do we live in them and sleep in the people in whole molly frozen house. And after you left the people in frozen house, you go home and one little basement apartment or you go one little place where you have your friend them 5 hours rent one place and you go there and you catch. And when you go home and the boy you text you and talk to you all day, boy they on phone they talk to you, oh baby I miss you so much, I can't wait till you come. And as soon as him done, every time him done talk, him send you one picture or one shoes on foot like I say him want this. Or send you one clock, say him want that clock say. Or I say, oh God baby, no say me there and my mother say gas done and she want away. And every time you talk to the boy want to see it. Every week you have to, for some reason, the boy probably out here working, but every week you have to find yourself, go Western and go send sitting con give boy. Every single last week so. How when the boy send a picture, then come game and send a picture them where dust done beard and then sitting stiff up on the body and show you and then sitting there, you show all your friend them where you live, your housemate, them say, girl, look what Patrick send me, oh God, look what Patrick send me, oh gosh, oh, that's my babe, that's my boo, everything, babe, I just reach home, I all your friend them here, all your friend them know, you know, oh babe, I just reach, I work your co-worker, because you make all your co-worker, them see a man in Jamaica, you know, because you ever depend on video call with him, so everybody knows you and him did it, and you ever have a headphone in your ears and chat to him straight when they are work, I not have shit to do, but chat to you. I show them, I wouldn't show them, your friend them really, let me tell you, say, you're not a friend, you know, you're not a friend. You do not have no friend. You do not have no friend. You do not have, and friend them do not really. People them must say them are your friend. Them is not real. Them is not real. Because my friend have to go eat me. If me and your friend, you have to go eat me. If me know say your favor like when I spoon drop dumpling them, and you are going to take some woman come show me one boy will look like Ronaldinho. Or where boy that name Cristiano Ronaldo. You said you show one boy will favor. Me I go say, mama, big man thing. That boy don't want you. That boy you don't want you, girl. Me I go tell you straight, girl, that boy you do not want you. That boy don't want you. Alright, you want to know if you want you for true? No send him no money for 3 months and see if he still call you. Stop sending money for 3 months. Tell him say you lose your work. 3 months. Tell him say you lose your work. 3 months. Cut off your internet. After you tell him say you lose your work, cut off your internet, make him have to buy credit for call you. See if he can call you. Cut off your internet. Cut off your internet. And say him can't stop calling you on WhatsApp. And make him have to buy credit for call you and see if he can call you. That is right. That is it. Not even 3 months, just 1 month. Tell him say you lose your work. Tell him say you lose your work. You can't send the money come give me your phone cut off. Your internet cut off, you only can take call. And see if your boy still call you. Me guarantee you can put my head on the block so and give one cutlass. Say any of your phone ring chop you off. And I guarantee you so I can't drop asleep and wake up and nothing touch my neck. Because I know say boy now go call you. I know. I know for a fact the boy not call you. What am I call you for? I ain't nothing for him. What am I call you for you don't have nothing for him? Stop lying to yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Nothing wrong with having ambition and standards, you know. Nothing wrong with that, you know. But you know what catch the whole now? I want to catch someone too. And wanna see it resell in the social media too. Enough of them man you do not want the girl them. Them just want to go foreign. Some of them don't want to go foreign neither. Some of them just want the things them on can come give them. I know say it's a hard pill for swallow. I know say no fun to vex with me, no fun to cuss me and say my bad mind and tune a girl now mind me or whatever. But fortunately, I'm in a situation where I need no girl for mind me. Fortunately. But me I tell you this ladies. Be honest with yourself. If when they are Jamaica, me I go tell you this straight up. If when they are Jamaica, Zane, them man never did a look you. Them man never did a look you when they are Jamaica. You got foreign now. And all of a sudden, when you come to Jamaica, the whole of them a look you. The same man them never had a fart pan you out here. The same man them with a look off and say, oh, and the man them now look pan them look every other girl but you. Now when you come from foreign, all of a sudden, you know, say a long time I did like you though, you're from where I got school, me used to see, you know, but I true, you know, say me shy. I never did really want to step to you, make you really, you know, I really want to come out and true, me know say as a girl where you always a Lord, I never really want you to shame me, and but that's I never really come to your girl. But me I tell you, say, mama, yo, me like you, I not telling you, you just look, yo, you just ticks and something about your belly, I don't know, you just favor like one of them pregnant kangaroo there, I just love girl, we shape like kangaroo, I don't know, I just saw me stay in a mama, I don't know. You just round. I just like how you just spherical. Yeah, you just joyed. You shape like a globe, mama. You just have that worldwide shape. I just like you, mama. Yo, me need you in my life, man. I swear to God, man. Cause right now, a whole heap of heartbreak me get, you know. Whole heap of heartbreak, and I just want a girl like you. We can just sit and just help me put back myself together so I can, yo, I just want to be the type of man where you need, girl. I just want to step in your life and just stand up in your life like a general. So you just know, so you have somebody for you, I will care for you, and cherish you, and need you, girl. I want you. No boy can make you feel like, oh, me I gonna make you feel, you know, mama. Me I tell you this straight, you know. You understand? Me I tell you this straight, mama, me there for you, I want you. Them boy they are foreign, yo, nobody worry about that, man. Oh yeah, them man, listen to me now, man. Me there, man. I want Ray there, come on, one heap of good chatting and them something, you're there. All of a sudden, you have a liquor rental, the man say, and what you do tomorrow? Me could go to beach, no? Me could go to beach, and the boy can't go to beach. You know, say boy come in underpants, and source underpants, him go to beach and river, you know. Him now, we're in a beach short, stand up, him go in underpants, because you have to see police back now, him walk with, you know. In one, you see it print out in the underpants, you know. So when you go, you see big liver police button on him dragging the underpants, say, hold him body tap you as a show. And then sit there, you see it, and your skin catch a fire, and he sits in the water back and hug you up. And because you short, and in tall, the whole of body does a burst up in your shoulder blade up here, so when he hug you up from back with you. The whole of body does rest by your shoulder blade here, so. And then there's a burst by you, say, Jesus. And when you feel the body long from the top of your spine, go straight down to the part of your tattoo, the right top side of your body there, so. And you say, Jesus Christ, oh God, I just start fantasize about your one bag of sitting. And after a boy car go over hill shop, remember say, not even him car you. After a boy jump in the rent a car we rent and him drive go over hill shop, and you go over there buy the heap of fish them and festival and lobster, and you have to pay for it. And the boy drink about 3 Guinness and 3 Magnum, and you have to pay for it. When he said so go back after that, after your belly full and your hand there, you lick and him underneath him Magnum and sitting tiff up. You know, say you have to go pay for a room or a place upon you at and him have to come there. And the boy said, son, rod out your cistern like in time pipe bung up, in time sink. You know, in time sink bung up. I have to use piece of steel and rod out the cistern for water lego. Plunge out your crutches, man, like toilet when you want to flush. Plunge out. Plunge out. Plunge out your crutches. Lean up and twist up, make it look like in time vehicle crash. And can't fix back. Twist up your blow, wow. Lean up. Lean up your blow, wow. Twist up and bend up your spine. Make your ball out and nice. And when the body reach your right way. And clot you underneath the saw. You, when you reach your first time, you want ball out and nice. No come out till you say. And no sound now come out. 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 No sound. The boy just chastise you with penis like in time Jesus tell him to beat somebody with a rod of correction. The man a clot the Holy Ghost out of you. Beat demon out of you with body. Beat demon out of you with body. You there and say, Jesus Christ. You and the boy there, you're there Jamaica 4 days. 3 days. And when you go to the airport, you come to Jamaica with your knee, then knock and twist up. When you go back a foreign, you walk like you're a cowboy, like you ride a horse the whole time there in Jamaica, you're bow-legged, twist up. 1 week later, you still feel the boy in your soul. 2 weeks later, you still feel the boy in your soul. You either hurt now, you start save every dollar now, because you will want to come back to Jamaica. Well, want to come to Jamaica to a demon cocky. You kill up yourself. Well, want to come back to Jamaica to a boy. But guess what? You see, say boy now ready to call you. So you start enough up yourself in that boy and call him. Yeah, call the boy and the boy say, like I said, babe, what me? You know call me from when? You know call me from, is what happened, is what, me live from, I left Jamaica in a business. Boy, you want to know something there, you know, call my baby mother stress me out right now, you know, family coach, you can't me, no call me, who 300,000 in child support, you know, man, and a jail, them are going to send me going on. When you come back, you know, go see me in a babes, guys. A sentence me I go there serve, you know, still there, see me. But just wait, you can't wait still, because I go come out. Them now go give me more than 9 months of prison. I go say, babe, no. Me can't do that. Oh, me can't allow if you go to jail. You can't go to jail. Yeah, because you don't know it. I go end up all of a police record. No, you can't have a record, babe. We can't afford for you to have a record. Listen, how much you say you owe in a child support? 300,000. Alright, that's like $2,000. Alright, I'm going to send $1,000 come that month here. And then I'm going to send the next $1,000 when I get paid a year. Let's see if it can. I say, boy, baby, I don't know if that can work, you know. If it's still longer, the money I go keep and I go up, you know. If I have to wait 2 months, probably I have to go pay 400,000 or 450 because the money I go grow interest on it. And you say, alright, no fret. I'm going to send you 1,500 this month. And then next month, I send you the other 1,500. So everything can come over. Everything can cover off. Yeah man, and from this, from you send the first piece of food, try no, you know. You go send food every month. Chop you get chop. Chop you get chop. Someone not talk about, oh, no, can I see no phone up post up. Nobody from Jamaica can call and scam me. Nobody, oh, me have sense, nobody can scam me. But as you reach a Jamaican, it chop it boy, then sets and fling cocky underneath your hole. A chop you get chopped too. A chop you get chopped too. Somebody said that so like somebody business. Me just attack reality. A reality me attack. Me no need for set so. A reality. And the hard part about it, me can guarantee you say everybody pan the live here. No somebody will get chopped so. Me can guarantee you. Everybody, it might not be the same exact specific way. But anybody where see where know somebody where go so type put number 8 in the comment section. Type a number 8 if you know somebody will get chopped so. If you know somebody where go through them something already, you know somebody will go through something like that to the man of Jamaica, type a number 8. Type a number 8 in the comment section if I lie me, if I show me attack. If you know somebody with you so, type a number 8 in the comment section. Cause you don't go like a lie me like I make this up like a fantasy and a fairy tale. You don't go like say a foolish and come here so and chat. The same time I come here, educate to me now. Cause some of the girl handicap. Living fool. Living fool. Remember this. Ladies, you see if you have to mind a man, if you have to mind a man, load a man there. I tell that straight. If you have to mind a man, load a man there. The man there not for you. If you have to mind a man, the man no belongs to you, mama. I tell you the truth. If you have a mind, if you have a sex and take up your money, and a send come give a man every time. If every time a man for buy clothes, you have to go buy clothes, give him for put on. If a man a drive a car and you have to buy the car, and not only say you buy, because you can't buy a man a car, no, because if you have it and ray, you can't buy the man things. Nothing wrong with buying a man things. But if you have to buy the car, after you buy the car, give the boy, you have to service it, you have to buy tire put on it, you have to tint it. If anything happen to it, you have to fix it and then sit there. The man there is not the man for you. The man is not the man for you. You see, mama say me now, are your big son? Are your big son? Are your big son for true? Are your big son? Are you pick me? Are you pick me that? Me now go around here, I'm going to tell you the truth. Because remember this, me I tell you this straight up. No matter how a man broke. In paper there. No matter how a man broke. You see when a man want a girl, he might go find it for give her. No matter how a man don't have it. You see when him want you, he might go find it for give you. And any real man, you see when you broke as a real man, all if your girl have it, yeah, she have to fight you for give you things. She have to fight you for spend money for you. When a man want you, if me want a girl, and she has spend money, me have to come a time me have to put on my foot and say, wow, no, me not like this. You can't me treat her already. Give me a chance to me spend my money, not because you have it over me. Give me a chance, let me spend money to what? Like me, you come bitch me up like you emasculate me. Me not like that something there. I mean, I tell you that straight. Some of the girl are handicapped. Una idiot, una na damn sense, una some bit, not una not even yammed, una yam feel. Some of them, me eat some of them, me not people, me not gonna tell you lie. You know me eat? You know me eat? Me eat in time I got bank. And I got ATM. When I got ATM, I got bank, I got a restaurant. And you see a man there with him girl. And you see the boy just hug up the girl from back way when she appear. Or when she use the machine, him hug her up from back way and I kiss her up in her neck and rub her down and she just in her purse and start to stop no man, chop. Stop no man. And I dip in her purse and appear. Yo, come leg off from me now, chop. Hey, I want you. You know, see we out there in our public. And she just look like she had the proudest thing in the world. She look like you had the happiest thing in the world. Like you, oh my God. You him just like the look on her face, she feels so she feels so accomplished. Like say, oh, she the most wanted, like oh the man no want you girl. What the man do? The man try distract you from the fact say man scabby. The boy hug you up from back way and kiss you up. Cause the boy try distract you from the fact say him not spend the money. He might try to kill you with affection so that you not even notice say how your purse the money you come out of you buy what you buy. If you notice say your account you take the money out of if you go spend on him. The boy does not try distract you. The boy does not try distract you. To ensure say you don't notice say him and yam out, him try and yam out. And you know like some big baboon, like some idiot. You just say, oh my God, yo, you took your other. And then here to our friend. I say, girl, my God, Jamaica, and the boy just loving. The boy just loving me. I tell you, everywhere I go, the boy just a kiss me up. The boy just a suck off my neck and I feel. Yo, the boy just a rub down my belly. You know my belly big dog, girl. With the way the boy rub down my belly, I feel like me have all 6 pack. The boy just a rub it up. And I tell a friend them one bag of nonsense. Like you're handicapped. The boy a rub you down because the boy have to play in part of make you know, so make you feel. You have to so in love that you're distracted. The boy does a mad you with affection and does a draw the whole over you like a big dirty handicap just in your purse. So everywhere you go, in your purse. In your purse. In your purse. In your purse. In your blow up purse like you're an idiot. Like you're not a raw sense. You just a spin. You got a Jamaica plan to spend 1,000 and reach back a foreign. All 4,500. You overdraft your account. You spend out the whole your credit card. Every raw thing. Just because you want boy for palav. And just because you're so in love. You're so in love. You're so in love like a damn. Not even love. You're so in spend. You're so in spend. Me get to know. You're freak. You understand? Uno come like uno nah. Uno come like uno, yo dog like me eat yo me 8 seat. Me 8 seat. Me, you know what your seat enough? You want got the KFC down at Ochi. You see Ochi KFC, got the KFC there seat enough. You see the KFC at Mobile, you know the one right before you go in a Mobile town, when you come off a top road there so. When you come at the intersection before you reach, like you go towards Kitchenall, you see that KFC there over there. So if you want to see what me talk about, just go into the KFC there one afternoon, like about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Go into the one down at Ochi town, about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, when Duns River lock on the beach then lock. You see the girl them in the line, a pee, and you see the man them back of them and hug them up and kiss them up and rub them down. Me I tell you daddy, if you think I joke me I make. Really swear. And somebody say, and the man them now no shit, the man has some real dirty nasty nigga. The man now no shit dog. Me I can tell you the truth. Me never show. Me never show me born fat. Or me big. Or me not have them dashing good looks there. Or God never bless me with 5 pound of penis in my pants front. Me no know if I that me can't do them sitting there. My woman they are foreign, even when me go foreign, me spend money. So baby mother, me now go look for my baby mother and broke. From me there, my baby mother not supposed to spend the money. You understand me? I say she not supposed to. I'm a woman that, woman that, and she work her money. And me not feel like she's from me go there cause I'm me that me as a man. That is what that me no know as me say can no for no go say go I chew your body liquor. Yo, you know me an idiot. People that could have feel like me and chat to somebody and they do laugh. Anyway. And when them bring them find the woman flip script. Zane is the alright. As me I say, me personally, now go feel comfortable. Cause my woman spend money for me too. Don't feel no way. I go say she spend money for me, but I feel uncomfortable knowing that every dollar that is spent, it's her. I feel so uncomfortable. Me feel so uncomfortable. It no matter who I make more money. As a man, you're supposed to want to treat. It's not about it. And to be honest, it's not about the money that you spend. It's the fact that you as a man, you're supposed to be a provider. You're supposed to be a caretaker. You're supposed to be the protector, the shield for your woman. You understand? You're supposed to be. It's supposed to be the shield. You understand? It's supposed to be a shield. You're supposed to be to provide for her. Me can't comfortable no say me there so me have my woman and me can't contribute no. How man do it? Alright, you know me not gonna go there so. Me could go up on the other side of the script now. After you don't spend out the oil on the boy, and you carry the boy go foreign. Remember say the whole time I come to Jamaica, hold on, sit there on bed. Remember say the whole time I come to Jamaica, you know. Every time I come to Jamaica, you're gonna Airbnb. Zane, you're gonna Airbnb. You're gonna hotel with the boy. And you got a good restaurant them. And you live BI life. You rent car, give him the nicest car. And you up and down with him everywhere you go. When him come a foreign now, and after him reach a foreign now, and him say, boy, the apartment where you live in a one little small, little matches box looking sitting. You have 2 pitney or 1 pitney or probably 3 pitney over there. Him come there, him have to go take up stepfather role now. So the little muggling up and down something them when used to do them days they got done. Because him come now, so him have to take up some of the responsibility. So you have an extra mouth in the house of feed. Remember say you have to go and work till him get back pan, till him find him foot in the foreign. So you have to go end up start work more hours. So because you work more hours, him there with the pitney, him have to turn babysitter, him have to collect pitney when pitney come from school and all him sitting, him have to cook for pitney, start out pitney, him get all the responsibilities. Remember when him there at Jamaica, him there by himself and him run up and down and go party every night and enjoy himself and live life and go with him friend, them go drink and then sit and have one heap of girl out here. When him reach a foreign now, and him say all them responsibility depend on him. All of the sweetness gone. Bitterness him a get now. When him see the reality comes to know, alright, that the woman me come take now, if you come care me go foreign now. Me say, alright, boom, this come with responsibility, this come with everything. The woman, me live in the woman house now, and she a pay the bills them, and me there. After a while, no matter how girl digmatized, no matter how body sweet and body nice girl, when you in a house after a while, I used to say all of the bills them, because now when you work now, you know, they with him run up and down and a pal off and a live fantasy life now, you know. The reality of life come jump in now. The realities of life jumping upon you now. When the realities of life jumping upon you now, as the person, as the woman we are spending the money upon the man, you say, you know what, the boy can't come up and kiss you and fling body upon you every day because you live with your pitney too. So he must set someone. When anybody when know how it go, when you live with pitney, if you have your own room and the pitney have your own room, you still have to hide and have sex. You understand? You still have to hide and have sex when you live with your pitney, when you live with woman. Me and my baby mother, they are my son, and I hide, me have to hide and thief. Sometimes I have to bother up and rough and weird. Sometimes I have to buy all this my son, God, Father God, forgive me. Father God, forgive me. But me have to buy all NyQuil and give me pitney, and the pitney no sick, and me I give him NyQuil. Oh God, Father God, if you sin me for this, for me do, Father God, I am so sorry. If what I did is a sinful act, if this is something that is illegal or criminal that I have just spoken of, I hope it is not a criminal act because I just confess to it on live. I hope nobody don't report me to Sisoka or the Child Protective Agency or anything. But sometimes when you're there with your woman and you want like a pum pum and your pitney don't want to go sleep because you can't get a pum pum till your pitney and sleep. But if you have a pitney run up and down like my pitney, you have to set some give him like a NyQuil. And you have to give him more than that. Because you know so they say pitney forget what 10 ml. You have to give him 12, give him an extra little tube pan if you tap him up to ensure so when he drop asleep he now get up till morning. You have to do it. You have to do it. Me know say it probably, like me I think about it now, it don't really seem so right. It don't really seem so right. It really and truly not seem so right still now. But, sometimes a man's gotta do what a man... Sometimes a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. And I just say go. You understand me? I say, if my mother, if somebody watches this, don't tag my mother. Stop tag my mother and my things them here, please. My auntie them watch this, can't see this. But stop tag my mother. Stop screen record and send to my mother and my granny when me talk on my life. Please. This is enough for them ears. Them know say the out there. I abuse my grandpitty to them grandpitty to blow. Yo, as we say, come out of my business now. Zin, Ross, I so much I wanna do this. Me not feel so bad then. I be people that say them do it too. Me not feel so bad then, cause me think I didn't me alone do them sitting there. Right, me feel like I'm me alone. So much people do this thing, yeah? Me never know say I'm sitting very regular. Me think I me invent sitting. Me think I something new me I do. Me think I sitting new me I do. The whole on over here so wanna do it too. Alright? Me have company. Me want can't go jail. Me want can't go jail then. Me want can't go jail then. See it? Can I wanna do it too? Hey! Why? No, sir. Mama says she'll put all the rum in her pitney juice. Post that to that wicked. Yeah, I hear to know. I hear to know last I be a drunk over here. Oh, sex demon and ride on over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Anyways, back to the message you may have said right now. Can me get distracted? Back to the message you may have said. Zane, somebody said a DPH me use. Zane, as me say, when you said so boom, and he come a foreign now and see say, he must have finagle and he must have finesse thing, fi get like a pum pum or if he can have sex. You come now and back to reality now, you know. You are spend money. No, money there at Jamaica, you get body right around the clock in all 5, 6, 7 times. You get more body than you get food when you come to Jamaica, come normally come look for him. When you come now and him reach a foreign now, you only get body like all once a week, twice a week if you're lucky, because remember you have to go work and you have to work 3, 4, 5 shifts a day. And you have to work 6 or 7 days a week. So you barely have no day off, and when you do come home, you're tired and you mash up and you don't even want to see nobody. If you do want to see the body, you're so tired you can't even take it. And all you're sitting there. See? You're so mashed up you can't even get for take it. So all of the little the cloud of euphoria will come from the penis that gone now. So you start see the boy for all them tendencies now. You come now, you say the boy nasty. You see man left him underpants, them just beard and left him underpants in the bathroom. Him piss and he not put on the toilet seat. When he sit down on the toilet, he get up back on the side seat. He come out and I tell him piss up. Remember, you don't live with no man, you know. You only live with you and you pitting them, you know. You live with man now. So all of a sudden you live with man now. The bathroom start get rancor. Because him a piss and he piss a catch it, the toilet mat, it a drop back at the toilet and all and sitting there. So all 2 days, 3 days, he piss a drop on the mat and run. It start get, you used to be living by yourself, or with your 2 pitney them, or with your 1 pitney. And your pitney knows that if you sit down on the toilet, him come now is a different, total different something. And then you find out, say, alright, boom, you come, your house dirty here, an extra person in the house, you start take up. You see, you have to go deal with theme personality and theme anguish and everything. Plus, you stress out from work. So you have to come and you have to clean more than you normally clean. Everything I go start bother you. Everything I go start frustrate you. And who you going to take out the frustration pan? Not your pitney. You're not going to take out the frustration pan your pitney, no. You are going to take out the frustration pan the foreigner from the new person who come in your house. So you are going to start, your mouth and female mouth are going to start meet every minute. Female and female I go start meet every minute. I go start tell him things and tell him at what that him I go say. Him I go I just human nature. Him I go some of the things that I go say if even if him take it at first. After a while, you him I go feel away and him I go want to answer your back. And even if you take the answer back, after a while when you get out of control now, you say alright. Bills to pay now, and you pay the whole of the bills. And you carry this big ass steering man from Jamaica come and him now and you alone have to pay everything. Him not pay nothing. Remember, this is a boy with the Jamaica money never did work, you know. He don't know about work, all him know about a muggling and look good and put on pretty clothes and go out, you know. And when you come to Jamaica, that now, when you come from Jamaica and go foreign, muggling and pretty clothes don't carry you go nowhere, because everybody are foreign can in a pretty clothes and people don't even give a shit about what you have on. At Jamaica. A foreign. People don't care about what you have on. Them don't care how clean you is. Them don't care how good your bleaching look. Them don't care about how much tattoo you have. Nobody gives a shit. So that's why you used to live off of Jamaica that come it can, you have to look at work now. And you just left from Jamaica, you don't have no skill. What kind of work you have to go do? You have to take up a little labor work. Your best case scenario, you get a work in a nursing home where you go work in a kitchen. Best case scenario that. When you just come from far, come up. You go get to work in a nursing home or one kitchen, you can get to a good little more. Or you go look for work in a one Jamaican restaurant. If you go in a Jamaican restaurant go work, if minimum wage is $15 hour, the Jamaican restaurant will pay $10 and $9. If a $10 hour, the Jamaican restaurant will pay $7 hour. So your chip get licked. So you find yourself have to go work hard now. You have to go kill yourself now. If you go work. To make your money. Normally there you just call and say, babes, you know some more on this and your boops. Go up a restaurant union and wraps $500. She send come give you. Now, you see say, oh, for you make $500, you have to work 50 hours. 1 week and 1 day you have to work to get $500. And even after you work the 1 week and 1 day, tax sets on your amount $100 out tight, you only get $400, $300. So when you come a foreign now and the reality them start licking now and you're frustrated because you there Jamaica now, and when she send money come give you say, alright, foreign, nice. When me go foreign, me go rich. And when you go foreign now, you find yourself worse than how you did there Jamaica. Because everybody can tell you. Yes, when you just come, anybody where they are foreign can tell you. People are Jamaica, me I tell you this. People are Jamaica, we are tuning in on this. Yes, when you go foreign for a better life, you are going to see a worse life before you see a better life. You are going to see it go worse before it get any better. It is going to get worse before it get any better, any at all. When you just come to Jamaica, ask anybody. You see the first 6 months, when you're there foreign, you just come a foreign, and they pop down his time in your life. The first 6 months when you come a foreign, before you get your foot in. At the time when your ear grow to your head well want cream and you can't cream it. Your nails them well want do you can't do it. You well want buy one new shoes you can't buy. The only thing in place you can go buy something for wear over Walmart. Or if you walk on Jamaica Avenue or one of them places there, and you see them have one shirt for $5 or one shirt for $3, and you can't take up one of them there. Because you can't go in one store. You can't even go up on the mall go buy nothing because you not make no money. Because every money where you make have going back to in your upkeep. And not only that, the people them where you left at Jamaica, from your land of foreign them start beg. From your land of foreign them start call because you used to beg when you're Jamaican. I remember say you show off and tell them say you got foreign or everything. So even if you go tell them no, you go have time where you go and tell them yes. Because you can't make them feel like you come a foreign and pop down on them something. So when you see people pack up and come a foreign is a whole different psychological thing. So when you see, so me not totally blame the man them we come here and cause and the relationship turn a problem. All is the whole psychology of everything we go on. You have a factor in everything we go on. With that something here. So you can't just look on this and say, okay, Ray, the man this and the man that, because it's training upon the woman pie. The woman will kill the man, it's training upon she, and it's training upon the man too, because the man is a total different socio-economic realm. Him coming as something where he never did used to. He never used to do hard work. He never used to go in a sun hat. Normally him sleeping at him there 3 o'clock before him wake up at daytime. Now him have to get up for go work because how foreign stay. You have to get up for catch a bus for the time for go work. Remember so when the woman come to Jamaica, you know, I be a rental, she a drive, him and her drive up and down, you know, source a rental every day, you know, rental go, yes, rental go, this, so rental come back around, yes, you know. When him go foreign and say him have to jump and go up on one bus with 3 crackhead pan it and some Francy people, and all the pity them we go to school pan the bus, be a license sitting and bed bug, depend them and jump and them head tap on them something there. And you see them thing and you say, Jesus Christ, woe be to you if you go live all down one dirty place like up a Bronx. Puss nan. Anyhow, you left Jamaica, me tell people this, you know, you see if you left Jamaica and the first place you go, a Bronx go live, Jesus Christ, you will want to go back to your yard. You will want to go back to your yard. I never see a place worse than Bronx. Never. Never ever in my life I ever see a place worse than Bronx. Was South Bronx? Jesus Christ. Jesus, or if you go uptown and go live all half White Plains Road, Jesus Christ. Oh, you see over Bronx? Over Bronx have some puss. Some puss, not more puss, they have some rat. Some rat. Well, if a Bronx. Jesus, he rat them big like dog. If you go over there at night time and see a rat them talk, you want to call them and say, come pop in. Or rat them big. Or rat them big. You're going to some people apartment in a Bronx. Some blow cockroach big like skateboard. Some blow cockroach big like skateboard. Like if you turn up on them, you can set and use one foot and shove. I don't know say no lie me I tell. Want to say oh me at the Bronx. So no lie me I tell. I not go say you have clean place at Bronx, you know. But the worst place, me, my personal experience, the worst place in a foreign where me ever see is Bronx. If me feel live, if me tell my baby mother, me say, babe, if you are going to move and you are going to go nowhere to live, as long as I'm in a Bronx, me will come there. As long as I'm in a Bronx, me will come there. When you live in Bronx, you have to sleep with one knife underneath your pillar. One knife you have to sleep with underneath your pillar. And the knife you sleep with, and if you kill people, you go broke in for come rob you. If you stab a cockroach them when they come for your night time. Because cockroach them big no blow out. You have to have one cutlass well sharp. If you come like a Game of Thrones, you know. You have to have fight bombard with night walkers. So when you see you left Jamaica your place, and we used to some cockroach liquor so. Our cockroach them a Jamaica liquor so. Or liquor so teenager. If when we call Joma Roach or some liquor sitting, look like it the front part of our finger so. When you got blood, when you got foreign and go see some cockroach big like you hold your hand. They traumatize you, man. Traumatize you. Traumatize you, man. Make you want to go back home and can't go back home. Make you want ball. And then sit there and can't ball. You go over there with a cockroach and big, you go and go use the bathroom when you want me do you see roach in there, roach I say, come, me soon come out, man. Just wait till me come out, me soon done pee. And then sit there with a cockroach and big. So man say rat them a foreign big. And I lie. If you go take a train and you miss a train, you can sit down for one rat back there and ride the rat guy next train station ready rat the big. A foreign. Me I tell you, brother. Somebody said this not true. Somebody said this not true. I live there for years. You live one a good part them upper Bronx. When I, as I say, I know everywhere time say no. But me I talk based on what I have seen or my experience. You understand? If I lie me I tell. If I lie me I tell Father God, box me right so see me face ya. Box me. Box me. Me I tell you this, brother. So when a man come out a Jamaican experience and go over this, it's a total culture shock for him. When a man say him have to go take care of household and him have responsibility, you know, a man say, oh, him have to go literally, generally become a man now. Because the whole time him there Jamaica, he was a boy. The girl they are foreigner mind him the whole time, and when she can't come a foreign now, him say him have to go take on responsibility for himself. So when you have to go take on responsibility for yourself now, and have to go set, so you have to go and work. You have to go see, for the first time in your life, you have to pay bills. The first time in your life, you have to go pay bills. Are you there in Jamaica? Bridge light you used to have. Bridge water. You live in a room in your mama house, you never have to pay rent, nor nothing. You get up and food cook, and your mama cook food for your whole time. You start make a little money now, girl send money come to Jamaica come give you. And you got a party every blowout night. The whole responsibility have to go out and also look good. That's your whole responsibility. Now you find yourself a Jamaica, you find yourself a foreign. Normally every week you hear cane. Every week you hear cane. Every week you got a barber. When you got a foreign now, you say $35 for one line up. You say, Jesus Christ, when you could have in Jamaica get lined up for 3 bills. You find yourself, all of a sudden you start favor wolf. Your face used to clean, your ear used to nicely done. Now, 5 big blowout granny plot in your head. 5 big granny plot or 6 big cane row. Go back. And you wear them cane row till them cane row they start get high because be a new growth underneath them cane row. They have one cane row in your head 3 months. You pull out all the hair. And you have to catch you and a plot it. Put all 3 of them shit plot in your head. Wash your head and put a shit plot them in there because you don't want it frozen. Because you can't afford to go hairdresser every day. You're there in Jamaica, you know say nothing for pay hairdresser. You know say one girl really like you, she not and go sit down and comb your ear. You're there foreign. No girl not like you and comb your ear. No girl not like you and comb your ear. And if that girl where you look, she want her $50. If you fling some cane in her head, she want her $50. She want her $50. And you can't friend her up for she comb your ear. And she not take no penis to comb your ear. She want her money because she have bills to pay too. And she liking you not going to pay for your bills then. So you have to pay her money. So when you come a foreigner you say, oh, the hot boy shit gone with because, oh, you work at one little restaurant and you collect one little $9 an hour. And you be there, you get no shift. Or not even that. Some of them restaurants are wicked because some of them restaurants give you $70 for the whole blowout day. And you work from 7 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock at night. For the $70 a day. And anybody will know this, Jamaican people don't get tip. So when you go work in a Jamaican restaurant, and you're dead $70 a day you get. And some of the restaurant they may work on one little dirty boss there in there. But when you name out the food, he might tell you, say, oh, because you work at the restaurant, you get the food for half price. So if the food at the $10, you get it for $5. Him still take out the money out of the food money out of your pay. So if you work 3 days for a week, you might take out $15 because you say no, so you must name food for the day where you did it. So, when you look upon it and say, oh, really? And when him go and reality start lick him them blow out now. And him say, no man, me can't bother with this. And this you can't come in here, you trick me. And Ray, remember you trick she now. Say you want her now. And she trick you, say she rich or foreign. Because all of them money where you get, you swear, say she rich or foreign. And when you really reach over there, she say she doesn't make it, she doesn't try. She just a trying girl. But I true she like you when she has sacrifice and send things come give you. You never did a see the sacrifice them time. They know you say, oh, that girl a wicked, she lie. She come tell me, say she make me feel like she live some big life of foreign. The girl live a foreign, and she dey a foreign for 8 years. And the girl don't even have a car, a train. We have to take and bus everywhere we go. We have to walk up and down in a coal. And them sitting here, man have to get up in a coal. And have to go wash pot. And then sit there, man never used to do a Jamaica. Man bleaching's gone. You dey a Jamaica, you did brown and pretty and clean and skin so smooth. All of a sudden, you dey a foreign, you can't afford bleaching cream for rub your whole body. Only part of your brown and now your face and your neck. Everywhere else black. I just your face and your neck alone black brown now because bleaching cream there. So you can't look back to your chrome skin gone. You start look like in time pencil sharpen. Don't you so brown and it top alone. Don't you so dark and it top alone bro. You understand? You understand me I say? So who no see them something here? I know they look on it say, oh, this a person wicked, that the person wicked. I don't know wickedness, man. A trick for trick. She come to Jamaica, come trick him, man. And the man trick she. So she trick him if he come, and him trick she if he go. And when they reach now, reality box, it two of them at them nasty face now. It two of them start cuss. She start cuss and say, you know what, because him over there now, him now money for motivate him penis to stand up now, you know. She now spend the money for motivating penis to stand up. So even though, so when you just go, you start have sex once a week. Till it start once every other week, once every fortnight. Till you only start have sex every third Thursday. Only every third Thursday alone you get little body from the man. Then it get worse. Once every 3 months now the boy start get somebody. Once every 3 months before you get like a cocky. Then you start say, oh, Ray, dirty boy, you never did want me. You never did this and then him they are foreign now. Him I go see one little girl in a restaurant time. They are road every day. Him I go see girl who him want. Him I go see girl who him really and truly attracted to. Remember say you look like in time barrel over stuff, you know. Remember say him not really attracted to you, you know. Him never attracted to you, him only attracted to the lifestyle where you da give him. So when him they are foreign and him see a girl with him like. A girl who him attracted to, a girl who him into now. As a man have nature, man have needs. Man have nature, man have needs. So him a go look she. And him a go see a girl who want him, irrespective of whatever. And then him a go start give you bun. And after him a give you bun, and then you find out say him a give you bun, him not go want left with him a give you bun with. So I got the man a go want pack up him things and him a go want come out of your place cause him a work. If them a work little bit of money, any girl who him take up the girl, they probably live somewhere and can put him up. Or him probably have a cousin or a family member him can go stay with. And him a go left you there so. And the cousin or the family member go want him come wait for them there. Because them have bills up here and when him come, him can start contribute to feed them bills. So them a go encourage him to come sleep and set here up on the ground. So him can start contribute to feed them bills. To make feed them life easier. So him a go quick for left you. Because you are watching him out and him not really want you. And him want to live him life and him don't want you. So when him left, you know, he say, oh, a dirty man and him ungrateful and this and that. You can't pray that and not ungrateful. You cannot pray ungrateful. And an ungrateful man ungrateful. You use the man. It only say you pay a higher price than him because you would have pay for cocky. And him pay for learn. So reality, that's reality. I'ma tell people all the time. I'm telling you this all the time. I'ma say it again, ladies. If you find yourself there with a man and you have your mind and support the man, move on. Move on. I am not saying that you can't deal with a man who make less money than you, ladies. You can't deal with a man. You can't deal with a man who make less money than you. Nothing wrong with that. You can deal with a man who make less money than you. But if you're there with a man, the man supposed to can at least support himself. All if him can't support you, him supposed to can support himself. And if him can support himself, him supposed to can put away a little bit of money so him can treat you as a woman. Yeah, you have it and you can treat the man, but him still supposed to can treat you. If you have to literally invest and a pay down and a take care of a man, if you have to fix a man and beard a man, put on clothes for the man, for the man look like the type of man where you want to deal with. Come on, mama. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense. Me I tell you the truth. Any man will take up, my friend. Ladies, me I tell you this. Any man will take up, him supposed to put out an effort to get you. Him supposed to put out an effort to get you. All if a somebody else man, yeah, they with. The people, the man supposed to put out a concerted effort to look you. Come, you understand me? I say, if you put out an effort to get to you. If you're there with, be real. Be real. Be real and be honest and be genuine to yourself. Be real. Be real. Be honest and be genuine to yourself. I am not looking at you ladies and tell you say you mustn't give a man things, you know. Me not tell you say enough to spend for a man. Me not tell you say enough to help a man, you know. But helping a man different from mining a man. You hear me tell you? Helping a man is different from mining a man. I'm telling you this. If you help out a man in a situation, it's totally different from you mining a man. If you have to pay a man rent, if you have to pay a man light, water, feed him, put groceries, put food on him back, that is not your man, that is your fucking child. That is a child. I'm going to flip the script here now. Man them. Man them. If you take up a woman where you have to feed her, clothes her, shelter, take care of everything for her. If she need a pad, you have to take the money give her to go buy a pad. If she needs sniffing yam, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you have to find food for her to eat. If she want to do her ear, you always have to do it, always have to do it. Dog, low she. Low she. If you have to take up your money every time and give her for she do what she want to do. If she cannot do nothing for herself. If you have a woman, fine. Make her look on it that way. Make her say you is a man where you make X amount of money and you take her up as a housewife and you take care of all the bills and you give her allowance a month time, fine. That's what you do. But if you are giving your woman an allowance and out of her allowance, she does not try, she not spend back none of the money on you. She not look on you and say, babe, come go to dinner, and she never ever take her money and say, alright, boom, make me pay for dinner. She never ever say, alright, boom, she go on road. You give her money, she go on road, and she go shopping. And she see some socks, she see some underpants, she see some marina, and she buy them and carry them for you. Lower, make she go on. Make she go on. If she never go on road, go sit up there and say, oh, babes are gonna like this, and kid come back and give you, without you have to give her money for go do it, make she go on. Make she go on. Me I tell you this straight up, bad man. Straight up and down. Me I tell you this. If she live over your yard and you live at your yard and the two on there and she never come at your yard yet, probably she not the type of girl who clean and cook and them something. But if she never come in your yard yet and say, oh, you know say my man house needs some curtain and come change one set of curtain in your house. Or she say, no man, every time from I come here I'm having the black bathroom mat and a black shower curtain here. And she never come in your yard yet and put on a set of bathroom mat in your bathroom and put up a set of shower curtain. If she never come in your kitchen and say, boy, I need some dish towel and come put some dish towel in your kitchen and them something there. Loud that girl make she go on, brother. Lower make she go on, dog. You hear me tell you? A relationship supposed to be symbiotic. It's supposed to be one and watch the other. It may not say necessarily have to be 50-50 where we have split, okay, the bills them are $1,000, me pay 5 bills, you pay 5 bills, but it has to be some form of symbiosis have to be there. Some form of symbiosis have to be there. Some form of me helping you for you to help me, or you help me for me to help you has to be there.
So to get the point, right? My advice is this. Ladies overseas, if you're looking for a man, be very careful, alright? Because you have some man where just we tear off your head for your money, alright? And also, gentlemen in Jamaica, be very careful of some of the women them where you run for go pick up to, because when you go overseas thinking say it's going to be better for us, no, it is not. Foreign, no easy. Take it from me I tell you. What's your man family? Touch me in the comment section. Let me hear what is your take, your views, your opinion on this topic right here. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. Me gone.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.